Here is another joystick. It is a Extreme 3D Pro twist handle joystick. It's a bit more advanced than the other one because it has a little knob at the top and it twists. And more buttons. Same thing, features, different view. Still goes back to Windows 98. The system requirements on the bottom. Let's go ahead and open it up. This one is properly packaged. And should I take it out? Probably, yeah. Let's take this out, and we have just the joystick. It is slightly bigger than the other one. It has a big throttle knob, pretty light. 6 buttons on the side. I'm not going to unwrap the cable, but it does twist. Knob on the top. Buttons, trigger, and a thumb button. The bottom, nothing. Let's go ahead and put it back. Maybe. There. Put this down into the slots and close it back up. Thank you for watching my box review of this Extreme 3D Pro joystick.